All right, folks, we're gonna start a new video series today, and it's gonna start by forging out a little tomahawk style hatchet, just like we've got here. We're gonna use this and some other tools that we're gonna forge in the coal forge to come out into the woods, harvest an eastern red cedar stave, like the one we've got right back here, and then we're gonna make a sinew-backed eastern red cedar bow. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead right on down there and click subscribe, click that little bell icon so you get notified, and let's get rolling. Now this little tomahawk is made out of an old farrier's rasp. This is just an old rasp that I use for bow building. They make decent blades. They can be a little bit difficult when you quench them to get them really hard. And so normally when I would make a blade, I would quench it, get it really hard, and then I would temper it to take some of that hardness out of it. But with these rasps, that's really not necessary because it's difficult to get them too hard in the first place. Oh, there's some good river cane over there. Might have to do a video on river cane arrows. And that split really straight. That's gonna make two pretty nice bows right there. So in the next video, we're gonna go ahead and take this Eastern Red Cedar stave and go ahead and rough out a D-style bend through the handle bow. So like I said, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and do so, and we'll see you next time.